This is who they are. Inconsistent. People who cannot stand on one thing. Like, you said you're not getting anything, right? Why is this so difficult for you to maintain your stand? You are jumping here. Every second you are moving. Like they said that the world is moving around the sun, right? They are moving together with the sun. In other statements, you made a post looking deep analysis, how COS have link with Nigerian state. You are making another statement, another post, how celebrating how Massimo Kanu is arriving in the court with a huge number of Nigerian with Nigerian chief judge and and all that. Only you on your one mouth. You when PM was having town hall meeting with Biafrans in Lagos, in Abuja, and other states in Nigeria, they were directing money in local account. It was okay. When COS brought an account, account, who are you to? There's no way you tell me that even if you donate money, fundraising you are making outside Biafra land, like in diaspora, that you move that money in Bongo without using Bongo account. I want you to prove me wrong. How do you do that? How? You are good in reporting account CS release, reporting it every now and then, right? Just because you want Biafran to see reason why you are doing that it is dangerous to use Bongo account in what you are doing. You doing that, you abuse also, trying anything to convince Biafrans that using the account is wrong, that is unheard of. But you couldn't do that when PM was here with you. And you want people to see you as honorable. And some of them attach honorable in that name. Honorable minister. Honorable, isn't it? Honorable. Really. Really. You also don't want people to believe that COS mean good. And the reason is because, just a moment, please. Okay, sorry about that. I have to answer this call. So, where did I even stop? Okay, they told you that PM Simon Ekpa, that he's the only way, the one that they trust, they believe, and everything, which is good. But you refuse to condemn the same thing that you claim that is a taboo now. Then that's hypocrite. And somehow they want to buy into that, to believe them in what they're saying. They want it so bad. Many of you have seen a video. Many of you, I think the video of let me look for that. Let me see if I can display it here, because this is last stream, so I can flip the camera. But let me try to explain it while looking for that video. There's a group of people from Aludo, from Igodomigodo to Aludo, Igodomigodo in Benin, Edo State, that made a video in the past praising CEO. Just pay attention, because our own is not, we are not here to cite anything that you yourself, or say anything that you yourself cannot have access to. Now, let me flip the camera. I may not be able to locate that particular video, but I will try my best to show you those that I'm talking about.